Assalamu alaikum Hamza.
Walaikum assalam Fahad.
Hey, the exams are near. Are you prepared for it?
No, not yet. Are you?
No, I'm not. I don't know from where to begin and which subject to begin with.
Do you know that nobody has started to study?
Oh god, what if nobody is prepared and everyone looks at each other on exam day?
I don't think that will happen. Students will come well prepared.
Okay, now that you have said that you haven't started studying yet. What are your plans? I mean, how are you going to study?
I don't really know.
Hey, I have an idea.
What is that?
Shall we study together? If we do so, then we will know what to study, how to study, and all the important points we need to cover.
Actually, that is not a bad idea.
Studying with a friend is more fun than studying alone.
That's true. A student understands more when he studies in a group, and the concepts are understood very well.
Exactly. So, from when shall we begin?
Tomorrow.
Plaza like video. Share with friends. Subscribe channel. Press bell icon too.